Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So this is for both the Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in the block window for command prompt, type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's SFC space forward slash scan now. Then you have to hit the enter key on your keyboard. So what this process or this scan will do is that this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So this is a very great fix. So here's the thing, if the process is still going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And once this is done, 100% completed, and just simply close out of here. Then in the Windows search bar again, type CMD, click on run as administrator. Now type this command dism space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. So this will repair your Windows image, and once the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize this but do not close the window. And here's a tip: if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, you can just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That will help you. And once the process is done, and just simply close out of here, then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the final method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on the system. Scroll down and you have to click on recovery. Here you'll find reset PC. Click on it. But here's the thing. If you are going to continue with this process, you need to completely back up all of your data, personal files, apps, and settings. Once you make sure you have backed up everything, click on remove everything. Then you have to click on cloud download. Then this will reset your PC. So after that, you just need to sign in again into your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.